This is part A of lesson 2. It's the first part of lesson 2. In this section, what we're going to do is find the derivative of a function that has a natural log, and we're going to use properties of logs to make it easier. So the goal of the problem is to find f prime of x. That's the goal. However, we don't want to jump right into this. We would have 1 over all of this stuff, then times the derivative of the stuff, which would involve chain rule and product rule. So let's see if we can't, before finding the derivative, use some properties of logs. So you might recall that the natural log of a, call this a, times b would be the natural log of a plus the natural log of b. So this can be written as the natural log of the square root of 6x plus 1 plus the natural log of 4x plus 3 cubed. And seeing this, you may notice that this exponent 3 can be brought to the front of that respective expression, another property of logs. And the same thing here, this is 6x plus 1 to the 1/2. So we can bring down a 1/2 natural log of 6x plus 1, bring down the 3, so plus 3 times the natural log of 4x plus 3. That made the function a lot easier to take its derivative. So let's do it. So the derivative, f prime of x equals, we have a 1/2 times the derivative of natural log of stuff, which is 1 over stuff, times the derivative of that stuff, which is 6, plus 3, 1 over stuff, times the derivative of that stuff. At this point, we don't have to simplify, but I will. 6 over 2 is 3 over 6x plus 1 plus 12 over 4x plus 3. You could combine like terms, but at this point, I wanted you to see how much easier it was to find the derivative after using properties of logs. Now let's take a look at example 2. Here's another function, y equals, and again the ultimate goal is to find the derivative. Here we'll call it dy dx, and we're going to employ some rules. So let's rewrite the function. So we have an exponent, and the exponent is 1/3, because this reads the natural log of the cubed root of that expression inside, x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1. So we're going to bring the 1/3 down, and we're going to write this as the natural log of x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1. Now, the rule here is the natural log of a divided by b comes out to be the natural log of a minus natural log of b. So we have 1/3 the natural log of x squared minus 1 minus, now we have to distribute the 1/3, natural log of x squared plus 1. Now we're ready to take the derivative, and it's a lot easier at this point. So dy dx equals 1/3 the derivative of natural log of stuff, 1 over stuff, times the derivative of that stuff, which is 2x, minus 1/3, derivative of natural log of stuff, 1 over x squared plus 1, times the derivative of that stuff, which is 2x. So that's part A, real quick and simple so that you can utilize these properties. And I'm going to try to do a total of 4 videos, short in length, so that you get the entire lesson. The end.